Hi guys. So in preparation for the upcoming exams, I decided to make this video where I look at and go through all the past papers that have been written and have been created by the IEB about Donker Web. So the most recent one is the May 2025 one, and then we're going to go all the way back to the first one, and that was written November 2023. And what I'm going to do is I'm not going to go through question 1, 2, 3. I'm going to take a topic, for example, Greg's family, and then I'm going to go through the first paper and see where do they ask questions about the family, and then what questions do they ask. So these videos will be in parts, otherwise it's going to be too long. I'm going to read the question immediately. I'm going to translate it in my head into English. Otherwise, if I read in Afrikaans, then translate into English, it's going to be too long. Well, we're going to see how it goes. You are welcome to pause the video to see the exact Afrikaans wording, of course, but I will also put the link of the website where I got these papers and the memos from. You can also just go and get it, but I will put that in the description. Let's go. In this video, we will look at questions all about hulle kry die baker. They find the baker. So questions about how did they find him, where did they find him, etc. Let's go. Okay, ons begin met May 2025. So this is vraag 3, the dialoog question, and this is a dialogue between Rina. Who's Rina? It's Greg's mom. And Oom Dirk. Remember, this conversation didn't really take place. 3.1, she says, baie dankie Dirk vir alles wat jy vir die kinders gedoen het. Thank you very much for everything that you did for our kids. In watter stad het jy vir Greg en Zander gevind? In which city did you find Greg and Zander? And the answer is Florence. 3.2, waarom het hulle aanvanklik vir jou weggehardloop? Why did they initially run away from you? And the answer is, hulle het geglo ek is die baker. They thought I was the baker. 3.3, hoe het julle die eerste foto van die baker se gesig geneem? How did you get the first photo of the baker's face? En die antwoord is, deur middel van Meter Peter, remember that name? Of deur middel van 'n Trojan virus, het hulle beheer oor die rekenaar se kamera gehad. So through the program Meter Peter or through a Trojan virus, they gained control of his computer's camera. En 3.4, hoe het julle geweet dat julle na Venesië toe moes gaan? How did you know you had to go to Venesië? And the answer is, daar was 'n kerk op die agtergrond. There was a church in the background. The church is in Venesië. 3.5, Venezia is such a romantic city and there are always many tourists. How did you manage to track and find the baker among all the people there? And the answer is, ons het, soos Taylor Swift, gesigherkennings sagte ware gebruik. We used facial recognition software like Taylor Swift uses. Okay, we continue. 3.6. That was a very clever idea, but why did Greg leave the cell phone in a blombak, in a flower pot? And the answer is, Greg's phone battery had died and he forgot the spare battery in the apartment. Greg's battery het opgeword en hy die ander battery in die woonstel vergeet. 3.7. Zander was probably very angry. I can understand why the phone was gone when you got there. Who told them where to go? Wie het hulle gesê waarheen om te gaan? The answer is die straatverkoper, the street vendor. 3.8. Greg mentioned something about that. What did he mean when he said that the man worked with the baker? Wat het hy bedoel toe hy sê die man het saam met die baker gewerk? And the answer is, die hoed of die pet, the hat or the cap, wat hy vir Greg gegee het, was vol gif. So the hat or the cap that the man gave Greg was poisoned, or it had poison on it. And then 3.9, waar het Greg toe vir plank gekry? Where did Greg find plank? Outside the royal gardens, buite die koninklike tuine. Okay, now November 2024. Again, vraag 3, the dialoog vraag. And this is a conversation between Ayla's ma and Zander. So she asks him, wie was die mense wat julle in Istanbul kom soek het toe julle moes vlug? Vlug means flee. Who were the people looking for you in Istanbul when you had to flee? En die answer is die Baker se mense of soldate of veiligheidswagte of die polisie. So the Baker's men or soldiers or security guards or the police. Then she asked, why did they want to catch you? Hoekom wou hulle julle vang? Ons was op die Baker se spoor om hom te vang of te identifiseer. So we were on the Baker's trail, or we were trying to identify him. We were on the verge of identifying him. Of ons was 'n bedreiging vir hom. We were a threat to him. Okay, now still November 2024, but now we are at the SA question. So the first bullet point, waarom laat hy Plank in Turkye vang? Why did he want to have Plank caught or captured? And the answer is, hy wou uitvind waar hy Greg en Xander kon vang. He wanted to find out where he could find or catch Greg and Xander. He was actually looking for them. Second bullet point, hoe kry Greg dit reg om die Baker se adres te kry? How did Greg manage to get the Baker's address? Greg gets the address from an invoice that was in the Baker's computer's recycle bin. Hy kry die adres op 'n faktuur wat in die Baker se rekenaar asblik was. Third bullet point. Wat doen Stadler toe hy besef dat Greg en Xander hom in Florence opgespoor het? What does Stadler do when he realizes that Greg and Xander tracked him to Florence? He quickly packs and leave for Venice. Hy vlug of hy pak op en vertrek na Venesië. Fourth bullet point. Greg, hulle slaag daarin om 'n foto van die Baker te neem. Hoe weet hulle dat hy na Venesië gevlug het? They managed to take a photo of the Baker. How did they know that he flew to Venesië? And the answer is, hulle slaag daarin om 'n foto met Meter-Peter program te neem. They managed to get a photo using the Meter-Peter program. And then, how did they know he fled to Venesië? And we've had this question before. They see the church in the background, which shows he is in Venesië. Hulle vind uit dat die kerk op die agtergrond van die foto in Venesië is. En dan die laaste een, watter bekende sangeres se plan gebruik Xander om die Baker in Venesië op te spoor? Which famous singer's plan did Xander use to track the Baker in Venesië? And maklik, the answer is Taylor Swift. Okay, May 2024, and again vraag 3, the dialoog question. This is a conversation between Ma and Greg, so Greg and his mom, and she asks him, did you ever get a chance to see one of the beautiful museums or places in Turkey and Turkije? And he says, yes, I did. I was in the Sultana Met District, Basilica Stern, Hagia Sophia, Holy Wisdom of Heilige Wysheid of the Grand Bazaar. So you can mention any one of those places. And then 3.10. How did you manage to track the Baker? And they tell us how to start. Greg says, ons het op die donker web geadverteer dat ons op soek was na. So we advertised on the dark web that we were looking for. And you just have to say, what were they looking for? Pif, poison, or Novichok, of a clandestine bestanddeel, a secret chemical substance. And then 3.11. Maar julle het nie in Turkye gebly nie. Waarheen is julle daarna? But you didn't stay in Turkey. Where did you go next? And then again, Greg gives us most of the answer. You just have to fill in one word. Ons moes na somewhere in Italië gaan. And the answer is Florence. Ons moes na Florence in Italië gaan. Okay, 3.12. What information did you get through the Trojan that helped you track the Baker the first time? And again, Greg gives us almost the whole answer. We just have to fill in one word. Ek sê wat op 'n dokument in sy recycle bin van sy rekenaar gekry. So, I saw his what on a document in his recycle bin. We've had this question and answer before, and it is sy adres. Sy adres. And then 3.13. Hoe het julle so vinnig in Venesië gekom om die Baker daar te soek? How did you get to Venice so quickly to search for the Baker? And this sounds like a weird question. And the answer is literally, ons het 'n sneltrein na Venesië geneem. We took a high-speed train to Venetia. Okay, November 2023. Vraag 2. Greg and Xander search for information about viruses on the dark web. Why do they pretend to be looking for someone that can create and make viruses? En die antwoord is, hulle probeer die inligting gebruik sodat die baker na hulle uitreik of in kontak kom. They tried to use that information so that the baker would reach out to them or make contact with them. They wanted to lure him out. 2.7. Xander en Greg communikeer met 'n Mr. Elsewhere. Wat vind hulle uit van Mr. Elsewhere wat hulle skok? What do they find out about this Mr. Elsewhere that shocks them? En die baker weet waarmee hulle besig is. The baker knows what they are busy with. Okay, November 2023. Now, vraag 3, the dialogue question. And this is a conversation between Oom Dirk and Xander. 3.3. Who do you think were looking for you at Isla's house? Then Xander gives us the information again and we just have to fill in one word. Hy sê, dit moes die something gewees het wat agtergekom het ons is op die donker web. It must have been the who realized that we were on the dark web. And the answer is police. They think it was the police. Then 3.4. Where did you get a passport to be able to go to Italy? And then Greg again gives us information. He says, Xander het my gehelp om. Xander helped me too. Om 'n paspoort op die donker web te kry of 'n vervalste paspoort in die hande te kry. So Xander helped him too buy a passport on the dark web or to buy a fake passport. 3.5. Hoekom het julle gedink ek is die baker? Why do you think that I was the baker? And the answer is, jy was in die polisie. You were in the police or part of the police. Or you have influential friends or connections. Jy het invloedryke vriende of jy het koneksies. En dan 3.6, waar het jy die baker se adres gekry? Where did you get the baker's address? Now, I think it's the third time that we get this question. So we know the answer. Op 'n dokument, op 'n rekening wat in die baker se rekenaar se recycle bin was. And then 3.7, wat het jy gehoor en gesien toe jy daar aankom? What did you hear and see when you got there? Got there meaning at the baker's place. Swaar klaviermusiek, loud piano music, en 'n man en 'n vrou op die balkon. And then he saw a man and a woman on the balcony. 3.8. Okay, so I see that Greg, Xander, Oom Dirk and Isla are in this conversation. 3.8. Die baker het dus die back door toegemaak. The baker closed the back door. Het jy enigiets anders wat ons kan help om hom te vind? Do you have any other ideas that we can use to find him? And then Xander says, ja. And the answer is, die webcam, die rekenaar se kamera, computer's camera, of ons kon 'n foto neem. 3.9. Waar is die San Giorgio Maggiore kerk wat op die agtergrond is? Where is this church in the background of the pictures? Dit is in Venetia. 3.10. Want Dirk says, we should go there immediately. Wat is die vinnigste manier om daar te kom? What is the quickest way to get there? And the Isla answers, met 'n something, kan ons binne 2 ure daar wees. With something, we can get there within 2 hours. And the antwoord is 'n sneltrein, a high-speed train. Also not the first time that we get this question. And then 3.11. Is daar nie 'n manier waarop jy vir Plank kan laat weet waar ons is nie? Is there any way for Plank to know where we are? And then Greg says, ja oom, ek sal vir Plank 'n what los? I will leave Plank something. And the answer is 'n briefie of 'n nota. He will leave him a little note or a letter. Okay, now we are at the essay question, die opstelvraag. Oom Dirk vertrou nie vir Xander nie en volg hulle daarom na Florence. So Oom Dirk does not trust Xander and he follows them to Florence. Greg and Oom Dirk sits in the kitchen. I previously said, I think there's a mistake here. Now they say Xander shows Oom Dirk the burnt book and they discuss names. I think it should be Greg. The first bullet point. Why do they think that Professor Kabi could also be the baker? And the answer is, he was a temporary lecturer, but he behaved strangely towards Greg. Bullet point 2. Wat het Thomas Lawson gesê? What did Thomas Lawson say that made him one of the suspects? Thomas Lawson het gesê hy moenie sy brûe verbrand nie. He told Greg not to burn bridges. Number 3. Waarom glo Dirk dat Thomas Lawson se naam ook op die lys moet wees? Why does Dirk believe that Thomas Lawson's name should be on the list? Hy het heelwat vriende in hoë posisies. He has influential friends in high positions. And who's the last person that Greg wants on the list, even though Dirk does not agree with him? Sy ma se nuwe kerel, Andre Symington. Andre Symington, his mom's new boyfriend. We continue with the essay question. Now we are at paragraaf B. Greg sit en dink weer aan die video van die aand toe regter Gericke vermoor is. So he thinks again about the video of the judge being murdered, executed. Tot watter besef kom Greg oor die Baker se betrokkeheid? What does he realize about the Baker's involvement? Die Baker het die video gemaak, geneem. So the Baker made the video, he recorded it that night. Wat doen Greg om laat aand wakker te bly in die hoop dat hy kan sien hoe die Baker lyk? What does Greg do late that night to try and stay awake in the hope that he will recognize the Baker? Hy drink Ritalin, he drinks Ritalin. 3. Wat besef Greg toe hy uiteindelik 'n foto van die Baker het? What does Greg realize the moment he has a photo of what the Baker looks like? Besef hy ken die man, he realizes he knows him. The man has been to his house. He knows him, but he cannot remember his name. So, die man was al by sy huis, maar hy kan nie sy naam onthou nie. En dan paragraaf C. Xander stel voor dat hy en Greg hulle verskille op sy sit. Xander tells him that they should put aside their differences. Wat goeie goed moet hulle eerder doen? What 2 things should they rather do? Xander stel voor hulle moet aanhou om die Baker te soek. They should continue searching for the Baker. En hulle moet ook vir plank soek. And they should also look for plank. And then paragraaf D. Die kombuis word omskep in 'n vertrek waar oral foto's opgeplak is. So they put up photos and their clues all over the kitchen. Hulle koop 4 selfone. They buy 4 cell phones with good cameras. And they download facial recognition software. Question. Waarom loop Ayla, oom Dirk en Greg rond met die kameras? Why do Ayla, oom Dirk and Greg walk around with these cameras? And the answer, hulle hoop dat die rekenaar die Baker se gesig sal optel of herken of uitken. They hope that the computer will pick up or recognize or identify the Baker's face. Okay, these videos are broken up, otherwise it will be very long, so go to the next one to learn about the next topics and next question. Okay guys, I hope that this helped you. Click below here where I landed to check out the playlist. Goodbye.